Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I have my monthly Walmart grocery haul for you guys. So I still have a lot more stuff to get, but I'm getting the rest of what I need for the month at Kroger's or the Dollar General, just because they were cheaper prices this month to get there. So this is what I got. So each week we've been doing like at least 3 different recipes that we've been trying out. So this week I'm doing maple glazed pork chops, sweet as honey chicken, and baked one pot mac and cheese. So throughout the month, depending on what recipes I have, I will be going back to get a couple more things. But yeah, so you'll notice I don't get any meat except for like what we're having with dinner tonight, because we just prefer the meat from Kroger's, because I find especially like the ground beef at Walmart is super greasy and stuff, so we just prefer Kroger's, and usually it's cheaper at Kroger's. So yeah, but I'm just going to get started into this. I've rambled on long enough. So I got some bread. I got the Heiner's old-fashioned bread, and then I got some Sunny Buns from them as well. And then I also got some market side cage-free farm fresh eggs, brown eggs. We had these eggs last month. Normally we just get the normal like store brand cheap eggs, but we had these last month because I had a coupon for them and they were super good, so we just got another thing of them. So then I got a little pack of 3 garlics. It's like 3 garlic bulbs. And I got some thyme for one of the recipes we're doing. Also, we tried it last week and it was really good from HelloFresh, and it was grilled chicken with like an apricot jam spread, and I'm gonna try to recreate that. And I'm thinking about doing some cooking videos, so I might show you guys that one because it's super easy and really good. Then I got some curly parsley. The thing came off of it, so I just put them in this bowl so it wasn't laying on the counter. Then I got some honey, and of course I got Angel and Snoopy their Purina One Smart Blend Sensitive Systems dog food. I have to get them sensitive systems because Snoopy has a super sensitive stomach, so like the littlest things make him so nauseous and throw up all the time. So this works really well with him, and it doesn't have a bunch of dyes or anything in it, so it settles well. Then back here I just got this rotisserie chicken. We're going to have it tonight with the one pot baked mac and cheese, just because I didn't want to have just mac and cheese. So we're going to have this and then a vegetable as well with it. Then I got my Love Beauty and Planet conditioner and shampoo. Sorry, I can't talk today. So I love this shampoo. I've talked about it so many times. Then for the mac and cheese, I got some mozzarella cheese and mild cheddar cheese. Called for provolone instead of mozzarella, but they didn't have any provolone today. I don't know why. Then I got a lime for one of the recipes. It calls for it. Hi, Miss Angel. She's stalking over there. What a little brat. Then I got some strawberries for my smoothies. Still have some kale left over from last month, because I forget how I did it. I froze it or something, or vacuum sealed it, but it stayed fresh and it seems to look really good, so I'm gonna have some smoothies. And then also for smoothies, I got myself some peaches. I got 4, and they're pretty big. The last peaches I got were super tiny, but these are huge, so I have those just for a snack and for smoothies if I want. Then I got these. I'm redoing my room, and I put a big piece of whiteboard paper on my wall. It's not on an actual board, it's just a strip of the whiteboard material that I've been writing on. And I lost my markers. Had them last night. They fell off somewhere and I cannot find them. Some dogs ran off with them somewhere. So I got a small pack of those of a bunch of different colors. I only had black and brown, so that gives me more option. Then I got an eraser because I didn't have one. Then I got some sweet potatoes because with the pork chops we're doing sweet potato mash. So I got some sweet potatoes. Then I got this balsamic vinegar because I had a cashback thing from Ibotta. I've been using that app lately. It's kind of cool. Then I got some syrup for the pork chops and some chicken broth. I think that's all I got. A lot of what we're getting, the pop is usually cheaper at Kroger's. What else? I'm getting pop there, the meat. It's supposed to have breadcrumbs and soy sauce, but I'm getting those at the dollar store. And just some like little things that's usually cheaper at the other places. So, but this is what I got at Walmart for the month. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do more grocery hauls because someone commented how much they love my grocery hauls, and they love grocery hauls in general. So I thought I would share another one with you guys, and maybe I'll start doing it monthly. I'm not sure. But yeah, I think that's it for today's video. And if you want to see the Kroger and Dollar General one, let me know, because I'll probably do that, like go shopping there tomorrow. So I'll be able to upload it like this weekend. But yep, I think that's it for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.